guys, today is the last day of this full bathroom remodel. What we're doing today is super simple. Easy grout day. We're gonna prep a little bit, grout this beautiful Carrera shower, grout the floor, grout the wainscot here. Then we're gonna cover everything up for our texture. Cover the floor, cover the shower, protect everything, sand the walls, spray our texture. Then we come in after lunch, install our toilet, install the vanity, top, sink, and then we're going to install a backsplash using the field wall tile so it ties everything in together. A lot of work. Let's go. Let's have fun. Grout party. Covered in plastic, taped off, wainscot, outlets, plugs. We're going to spray our texture, go have some lunch, come back and finalize with the vanity and the toilet. Remodel is complete. This Carrera shower turned out absolutely stunning. Let's give you a tour, show you the completed project. Let's quickly start with the floor. We have a porcelain hex installed, Carrera. Ties in with the field wall tile. Everything is nice and flat. We installed a vanity, also installed a backsplash. Using the field wall tile so everything ties in. We trimmed the backsplash out with Schluter Jolly. Drywall work is done, texture sprayed. Our client will be painting and installing the faucet here as well as fixtures. We installed a new toilet as well. Let's take a look at this beautiful tub surround. Large 2 foot by 4 foot porcelain tiles at a straight pattern. Very heavy veins and movement. Starting with this very tall wainscot. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. All of these veins are connecting. The movement is flowing and connecting all the way around. Everything is flat, plumb, and square, 12 by 24. Schluter niche. Nice clean tight miters all around. And again, this tile is the cutoff of this. That tile is a cutoff of this one as well. We like to wrap all of our walls, back wall to the side wall, the adjacent walls wrap with cutoffs. So, full tile, cut, same tile here. Wrapped on this side as well. We have a window up here trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. We installed a new tub, of course, mixing valve, trim kit, raised the shower head, magnetic. Schluter Shelf E is installed for extra storage. Everything just turned out absolutely great. We're very happy how this looks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this beautiful Carrera tub surround shower. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon for future videos. If you like this one, smash that like button. I'll see you guys on the next one.